Patch Customer Success here. In this video, we're going to walk through how and where you can use segments within forms, kiosk flows, smart offers, and even the loyalty widget. You can use and utilize segments basically anywhere that you can add a contact field. Here I am inside our forms module. I have fields that I'm including on my form. And if I open this field for email address, I have the ability to add conditions or rules that would basically show or hide this field based on the segment that I choose. I can select an existing segment, or I can build my own segment here. For the email address field, I can select an existing segment. Again, I can filter by the types of segments. I can choose my segments, and I can say I only want the email address field to show if the email address is empty. As previously mentioned, I can also create my own segment from here. For simplicity, phone number is not empty. I can save this as a segment as well from the forms module. So segments, again, carry across from all sections in the portal and are very easy and convenient to use and also serve as a time saver. Next, on a kiosk flow, I have a fields page on my kiosk flow, and I'm also able to add row filters and utilize segments here that I can basically use to show and limit who sees this page. I can select this segment, or I can create my own that says maybe I only want to show this page if somebody's birthday is empty. So the only way that somebody would see this page is if they don't have a birthday on file. Again, from here, I'm also able to save this segment so I can use it as at a later date, or I can select one of my previously built segments. On an opt-in page, this is a page that we frequently use segments, where maybe the segment that I want to use here on my opt-in page is that if somebody's not opted in to receive text messages, I want to show them this page each and every time they check in. I can create my condition by utilizing the rule filter SMS on is not equal to yes. This would show this page each and every time a contact who is not opted in to receive text messages. From here, again, I can save this segment, and I'll just name it SMS not opted in. And you'll see that this segment has been saved. I can access that segment from the segment section within account settings, from the contacts module, and now I can use this saved segment anywhere where I see fit. Here's a smart offer. Within a smart offer, you have the ability to add rule filters. And again, within the contact editor, you have the ability to create your own, select an existing segment, and if you do create your own, you have the ability to save that segment. For any questions, or if we can help in any way, please contact our customer success team by calling 888-605-4429, sending us an email, success@patchretention.com, or by utilizing the chat bubble in the bottom left-handed corner of your portal.